This month is Birchbox's birthday month, and to celebrate, we are doing something a little bit differently. I've been given a top secret package.
And I have the task of unveiling this on my own.
Oh, there's a card.
Hey Pooja, here's a brand new product to test.
It has over 90,000 reviews on Birchbox.com.
Can we just acknowledge that that's crazy?
It's also one of Birchbox's Beauty Award winners. Can you guess what it is?
Guess what my answer's gonna be? No.
I have a suspicion it might be Beauty Protector.
Really hope it's not like an eyeliner because I wouldn't know how to use it.
My God. Vasanti Brighten Up.
It's actually I don't know how to say this. Enzymatic face rejuvenator.
No, I don't think I've used it. It's an exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya, microcrystals, and aloe.
I like microcrystals.
I've actually heard a lot about this from around the office, working at Birchbox.
Wondering if this is gonna help me get rid of this right in the middle of my forehead.
Kate did leave me something else inside the bag. Actual customer reviews.
This truly is a micro scrub, just on the verge of painful in a good way. Ooh.
Yes, this is by far magic in a bottle.
Vasanti exfoliator equals baby soft face.
Even my husband loved it. You might want to try this, babe.
I don't know if I've tested anything with 90,000 reviews, so I'm hoping that this lives up to the hype.
I'm banking on the customers being right on this one. They're usually pretty good at teaching me what to do. So I'm trying the Vasanti first time.
Do I wet my face first? Wet face, yes. Wet face.
It's thick. It's hard to get out.
I'm just gonna start with like this much.
Do I look good? I feel like I look good.
I feel like how you do like a deep clean, but every week you like do a regular clean, but then you do a deep clean and it feels like, ow.
I love that it's gentle, but you can also still feel the exfoliation because I find that pretty satisfying.
Rinse off.
Like the beads in there really, as somebody said in a review, get the dead cells off your face.
So far so good. Look at me, bare-faced and loving it.
I had a random Vasanti thought. Using it in the morning actually wakes you up.
This is a really good look. Oh, my towel just fell into the toilet.
No, don't stop it.
My skin feels really smooth and almost like a tight feeling, but in a good way.
So I had another random Vasanti thought for you all. I really like using it on Sundays. What better way to start off the week than get all the grime from the previous week off, and then you start fresh.
Ow, oh, I just burnt myself. Still loving this product.
This product is amazing. The only advice I would give you, which I learned the hard way, was do not use it every day.
I feel like my skin looks lovely. Fresh, soft, smooth, brighter. Hey.
I have officially joined the Vasanti cult with the other 90,000 of you. It's honestly a product I can't live without.